How to fix Bluetooth issues on your iPhone and 4 easy steps. First, make sure you have a latest version of iOS, okay? You'll have to do is go to settings and go to general. In general, go to about and you can see here the iOS version. You can tap this to show the version of your iPhone and make sure this is a latest version. Second, you can turn on or off the Bluetooth by sliding down from top to bottom and you can see the Bluetooth icon. You can tap this to turn off, to repress or disconnect to Bluetooth, and you can connect again to fix this issue. And third is forget the accessories and connect again to a new device. So okay, go to settings, go to Bluetooth, and here you can see the devices you are connected. So to forget these devices, you'll have to do is, for example, I forget the Oppo Reno 7 5G, you'll have to just tap the eye icon on the right side of this, and you can see here the forget device. You can tap this and the pop-up below are show. Tap the forget device button to forget the device, and you can connect again to other Bluetooth devices. Last, the number 4 is reset all settings. Okay, you'll have to do is go to settings and go to general. In general, scroll down and go to transfer or reset iPhone. You can tap this and you can see here the reset. Okay, you can tap the reset and now you can see the reset all settings. You can tap this and enter the password to reset all settings on your iPhone. And after that, you can connect again with a new one Bluetooth devices. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully fixed Bluetooth issue on your iPhone in 4 easy steps. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.